Hello fellow investors, welcome back to another video. Today I want to address some of our fellow YouTubers for bashing on Nikola stock. So some of the things I've been hearing is that, oh, they're not Tesla, they will never be Tesla, they have nothing but a shell company that is out scamming investors. As an investor of Nikola, I would like to come to the defense and address some of the issues people have with the valuation of Nikola. So there are three main issues I have about the discussion. First off, people claim that Nikola was valued at $3.3 billion when planned to go public from merger with VTIQ, but now it's trading at close to $11 billion valuation. Well, I say to those people, when it's valued at $3.3 billion, only early investors that know about the company gets to invest in its cheap valuation. This is unlike an IPO when insiders and investing firms gets the first bite. When retail investors invest in an IPO, they're always the last to invest and become bag holders for many years before a company finally becomes profitable. So this is point one I'd like to get people to understand. Good luck on trying to be an early investor and buying up Nikola for cheap valuation. Maybe someday down the road when FOMO's over and recession hits the market. The second point I'd like to get across is that looking at the current market as a whole, the high valuation of Nikola at this price is somewhat justified. Hear me out. Main Street is currently suffering from small businesses closing permanently. We have 20% of total population unemployed, but the money keeps flowing to equities. Fed continues to buy up high-yield debt, bailing out companies that can't manage their own finances, causing defaults on debt. These companies that are being pumped with capital by the Fed are at high risk for bankruptcies. So why are these companies keep getting money flown into them? Looking at the bigger picture, we're at the highest valuation since the dot-com bubble. So FOMO buying is natural in the stock market condition we have now. At this point, valuations don't really matter during this trend. That comes to my third point. Tesla's IPO was back in 2010, which was 10 years ago, at $17 per share. The stock was trading at mid-300s last year, while the company hasn't been profitable for almost 10 years. But people believed in Tesla. They stuck by it, and now it's almost a $900 stock and climbing. Who knows what Tesla will be? That's the same with Nikola. They're trading at $11 billion valuation right now. But if you believe in this technology, if you think hydrogen is the future, 11 billion valuation is nothing compared to what it might be in the next 10 to 15 years. So with US bond yields at all-time lows, negative yields in Europe, where would you put your money to work? Having high valuations for Nikola doesn't make this a company that is out to scam investors. This stock might be an opportunity for investors to make multiple times over, just like Tesla. With billions in their reserves right now, I have no doubt they will have a bright future. Now, I'm not saying you should pour all your hard-earned money into the stock, but with investing in a startup, there are always risks that makes the reward so much better. You should definitely do research on this company and make a judgment whether you should invest early like I did. Let me know what you think of my views on its current valuation in the comment section below. If you find this useful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again, see you in the next video.